In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your photos from Google Photos to OneDrive, making sure all of your precious memories are safely stored in your preferred cloud service. This can be especially useful if you're changing platforms or simply wanting to have a backup in place. Let's start by opening your web browser of choice and navigating to the Google Takeout website. Once you're there, you'll see a wide range of options allowing you to select the data you want to export. For our purpose, you will want to find Google Photos among the list provided. Ensure you select only Google Photos to avoid unnecessary files being mixed into your export. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Next button. This will take you to a series of customization options for how you'd like to get your data. Here, you'll be presented with choices for file type, frequency, and destination. Choose the file type that suits your needs, though zip files are usually a safe choice because they're widely supported across platforms. Now, select the delivery method. One common option is to receive download links via email. For larger photo libraries, you might prefer to use direct integration to cloud storage. Whichever method you choose, keep in mind the size and number of files you're dealing with. It might be more manageable to split into smaller batches if your photo collection is particularly large. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click on Create Export. This might take some time depending on the volume of your photos, but you'll be notified once the process is complete. After the export is ready, if you receive a link via email, download your Google Photos data onto your computer. If your files were sent directly to your OneDrive, simply skip ahead to check on your OneDrive account. For those with the files on their computer, just unpack the zip files, organizing their contents as needed. For those who exported to OneDrive, you'll be able to find your photo files waiting for you in the Apps folder. You'll want to consider a coherent structure, perhaps sorting by folders labeled by the year or event for easier access later on. While uploading, be conscious of your connectivity. Having a stable internet connection will ensure the process goes smoothly. Processing times might vary depending on the size of your files, so just be patient. Once everything is uploaded, it's always a good idea to do a quick check. Open your OneDrive and ensure all the intended photos made it over correctly. This is a great opportunity to make minor adjustments or categorization depending on the organization system. Transferring your Google Photos to OneDrive is a straightforward process once you know where to click and what to look for. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out our other tutorials on maximizing your digital workflow.